So hey guys, today is 17th February 2026 and going to market open. I am pretty much neutral today. I will take anything. I can long also, I can short also depending on the market conditions. So let me tell you what my market conditions for today. So going into a 4 hour, we can see that the market has inversed this 4 hour bullish fair value gap. So we have a very high conviction to move lower and took out this sell side. This is the ultimate sell side. This is out of my sight today because the market will probably not dump so much to take the sell side today. So what I'm looking at now is that the market has generated this value gap and this value gap. These two are bearish value gaps, so these are their intermediate term highs. This point and this point are the 4 hour intermediate term highs. If we go on the 1 hour, we can see that the market has generated this bearish 1 hour value gap and this bearish 1 hour value gap, and this is the 4 hour intermediate term high, which is also the 1 hour intermediate term high. And here the same scenario, 4 hour intermediate term high and the 1 hour intermediate term high. So if I want to long, then I have to target these points, because once market take out these points, then the market is likely to dump, because once the market take out these points, then the market will enter a bearish area. So I have to target these if I have to take longs. And if the market inverses this gap, then I will take longs targeting this area. And if we go on the 15 minute, pretty much the same scenario also here, but the 4 hour and the 1 hour intermediate term high combines with the 15-minute intermediate term high and the London high, and we have Asia highs above us. And this is the 4 hour 1 hour intermediate term high, and this is also the 15-minute intermediate term high. And if we look here, the market has inversed this bearish fair low gap, so the market is low-key shifting bullish, but we have still this one value gap to reject off from. So I want the market to inverse this, and if the market inverses this gap, then the market will currently take out this and give me shorts, because we have no 15-minute value gap to reject off. So I will not be taking longs today. I will catch wall after I take a trade, or maybe not take a trade. So hey guys, I took a banger trade today, and I de-risked on the trade, so I made around $127. Yeah, let me tell you all why I actually took that. Market opened around here, and then it just ripped up. It took out the 4 hour intermediate term high and the 1 hour intermediate term high. At this time I was looking for shorts, because we have a nice value gap here, but the market also generated a 5-minute value gap here. So I wanted to short this gap. I wanted the market to inverse this gap, and then I will short and target the sell side here. So the market did something this, it respected it and then it just dumped. It did not give me any entry. After that the market generated this 5-minute gap, so there was a long here that I faded, because I only capitalize the big movements that are following the trend. If you catch the reversal, then you will get low RR with less probability. This is the value gap that got inversed, and if you just have targeted 1:1 with SL below the body, it would have been a very nice trade. So market generated a 5-minute intermediate term high, and it is the scenario after 10 p.m. So at 10 p.m. the market generated a 15-minute value gap. You can see here market generated this value gap. So I wanted the market to tap this, take out the 5-minute intermediate term low, and then give me a 1 to 3-minute inversion, and I will target this sell side. This is the sell side that was generated after the market dumped and tapped the ancient 15-minute gap. You can see here, this is the ancient 15-minute gap here. The market took this and generated a new intermediate term low, which was the 15-minute intermediate term low here. So I targeted this, and after that the market took the 5-minute intermediate term high here, and market generated the 3 minute gap here, and then when it got inversed I was in. I did this trade because I entered the trade around this time. At the closing of this candle I entered because uh, ES inverse this gap. You can see here ES inverse it on the go here at 10:24, but NQ inverse this gap around on 10:27. So I entered it around here because this was obvious that the market will surely take this, and that's why I entered with a less risks, and I got a very nice risk to reward. I first risked $20 on this trade, and after that when market inversed this, then I risked around $40 more. So total I risked around $60, and I got around 1:2 hours. So you can see pretty much I bottom ticked the move. This was an A setup. This was not an A plus setup because the NQ inversed the 5 minute gap, but ES did not. So this was a discretionary trade because I know that that if NQ did not inverse this but ES inversed this, then this is likely to be swept. So that's why I entered with a less risks, and I made a less amount of money, but it's reasonable. Now I am in around $84 of drawdown. If I made more than $84 on the next trade, then I will be in profit. So that's pretty much the recap, and until we meet again, be safe.